Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to the square root of x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the x over number 2 with the square root of x. dv, I will choose about cosine x over the square root of sine x dx. Now I will show you how to find this integration. So this one, we have this integration in here. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of sine x. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have cosine x dx. So this one we have u cosine x dx. We change by this one. Now u divided by u, so we just have only number 1, that is about number 2 with number 1, and we have 2 du. And later that the integration of number 2, we have 2u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So that means this one in here. V equals to number 2 with the square root sine x. Now this one, so we have u multiplied by v minus the u multiplied by v. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. And now we just have the square root of sine x over the square root of x. So this one we can put like this. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So this one and this one, they are the same. So we can simplify it, and we just have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.